Hello guys, so today I'm going to tell you how you can add a WhatsApp link to your TikTok account. So if you guys found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech, so let's get in. Now what you need to do is open up your TikTok app and then hit on edit profile. Right now, to add a WhatsApp link to your TikTok account, you need to make sure that you meet two conditions. One is if your TikTok account has 1,000 or above followers, and the second is if you have a registered business account of TikTok. All right, now I have met both of the conditions. One is I have more than 1,000 followers, and the second is I already have a registered business account over here. So let me show you that here in account. So here, as you guys can see, I can switch to personal account. That means I am currently logged into my business account, right? So again, how you can add a WhatsApp link to your TikTok account. Hit on this website link, and after that, in here, instead of your website links, what you can do is you guys can type in wa.me and then / and then your whole number with your country code. You don't need to mention plus sign, right? So type in your whole number, that is 92318091540. All right, so that is my number. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit on save, and then this link will be added to my profile over here. So here, as you guys can see, I have successfully added my link, my WhatsApp link to this profile. So whoever is going to hit on that link is going to open up a website where it's going to tell them to open your WhatsApp to chat with that person. All right, so here, as you guys can see, TikTok wants to open WhatsApp business. Hit on open, and then again it's gonna start a chat with you guys. So here, I'm sorry about that. All right, type in your code, and after that it's gonna start a new chat with you guys, and also you guys can then chat with that person. Right, so guys, that is how people can reach you out through your contact number in your TikTok. All right, so that is how you can also add your WhatsApp link to your TikTok profile. So for the course of this video, guys, that's it. If you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So see you in the next video. Peace.